Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge smartphone innovation with the OnePlus 13. This flagship is making waves with its next-level design, stunning display, incredible cameras, and blazing fast performance. Let's explore what makes the OnePlus 13 a game-changer. Redefining smartphone design. The OnePlus 13 sets a new standard for premium smartphones with its ceramic body and ultra-thin bezels. The ceramic finish not only gives it a luxurious look but also boosts durability, ensuring your phone stands the test of time. But that's not all. The Stealth Vision punch-hole camera is so discreet, it's practically invisible. This design choice makes the front of the phone feel seamless, offering a truly immersive look. If sleek and modern is your vibe, the OnePlus 13 is built to impress. The brightest display yet. Let's talk about the 6.7-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display, a true visual masterpiece. With a peak brightness of 2600 nits, you'll enjoy crystal-clear visuals, whether you're under the blazing sun or relaxing indoors. The adaptive refresh rate, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensures smooth scrolling while optimizing battery life. It's a perfect balance of functionality and efficiency, offering an unmatched viewing experience for all your needs. Next-level cameras with Hasselblad. Photography enthusiasts, you're going to love the Hasselblad-powered triple camera system. It features a 64MP main lens, 50 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 32 megapixels telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. These cameras are designed to capture stunning detail in every shot. Low-light photography? No problem. Advanced AI ensures sharp and vibrant results, even in dim settings. Plus, you can shoot 8K videos with Dolby Vision HDR, making this phone a powerhouse for content creators. Unmatched performance with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor drives the OnePlus 13 to new heights. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or tackling demanding apps, this flagship delivers lightning-fast speeds. With LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, the OnePlus 13 ensures seamless performance. And thanks to enhanced cooling tech, you can game for hours without worrying about overheating. Game-changing charging. Hate waiting for your phone to charge? The OnePlus 13 has you covered. With 150W wired charging, you can fully power up its massive 5200 mAh battery in just 20 minutes. That's not all. This device also supports 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, giving you ultimate flexibility. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted performance. And there you have it. The OnePlus 13 is a masterpiece of design, performance, and innovation. If you're excited about what this flagship has to offer, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.